It's like the picture, right, Mom? I'll dump it out.
Okay.
You have to finish over up.
Ben,
Are you lucky of this?
do I feel lucky right now?
Yeah.
No. Ben. Benjamin! No. Benny. Ben. Benjamin.
Ben, do you see I'm not dumping mine out?
Ben, what are you doing? What are you doing?
He's doing it. I'm dumping them out. Go eat your cereal right now.
Such a dick. Oh, Ben. Thanks, dude. I just woke up. I don't even have the energy. Go ahead, Kai. Go to town.
Good. Go. Yeah. Okay, there's some under there too.
I'm sure she'll find all of it.
No, I bet Tug you'll find it under there too. 'Cause there's like